Hey guys! So today I just have a really quick haul video to share. So my big plan for December, it's gonna be a little much, but I'm gonna try to do a video a day. And not all of them are gonna be layouts. Some of them will be layouts, some will be like I'll do a big kit share, like probably the 1st of December and different stuff like that. But so right now I'm like trying to pull together all of the elements that I'm going to use for all of December, like build a giant kit, which I wasn't planning on it being giant, but it's getting a little much. So today I'm just going to show you a little bit of a Tuesday morning haul from what I've gotten this week at Tuesday morning. And I got a small little package from Freckled Fawn. They had a really good sale. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So Tuesday morning, I went to two different Tuesday mornings. I don't have this divided up. It's just everything I got collectively. So one thing I got was the Merry Days chipboard. And they're so cute. You can see all the little gold accents is nice. And then I already have these, but I've already used some of them. So I figured it would not hurt to have another package. And it's just Christmas thickers words, and they're a little wood grain. And I thought the snowflakes are nice too. There's some more on the back. And then I got these gorgeous glittery letter stickers, and they're red foam thickers on, no, red chunky glitter on red foam thickers. And then the next one is these guys. I've already got a package. No, I got several packages of these, but they're my favorite. These and then the pink ones from the All Heart collection from Crate Paper. Those are my absolute two favorite thickers ever. So I've got multiple packages. So anytime I find them, I buy more, which is awful. But I think they'll be really cute for Christmas, these ones specifically. And then these guys, and I would have bought two if there would have been two packages. They're so cute and tiny. These ones are gold on white foam, and this side is more of like a rose gold on a navy foam. Then I got this 6x8 Merry Days paper pack, and it's really cute. It's got a lot of gold foiled accents, which is nice as well. And I'm sorry, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, the dog was opening the door and my husband was trying to tell me something, and India's in there watching Monsters Inc. and you could hear it. So anyways, I'm back. The door's closed. We're good. So next I have the Snow and Cocoa. Snow and Cocoa is my absolute favorite winter collection ever. So I've been trying to get as much as I can. And I love these little, they're just little like glassine bags. But you can like tuck stuff down in them or layer on top of them or whatever. But especially those, I love those. So I still haven't found any of the paper or the chipboard or the 6x12 stickers for Snow and Cocoa. Those are what I'm looking for. Oh, and the puffy stickers. But I got some other stuff. So I got those guys, little stamps. There was a bunch of different stamps, but these are the ones I liked that I thought I would use the most, especially these snowflakes. And then I got these little gold, they're like little frames, puffy stickers. Sorry, I'm bouncing between Snow and Cocoa and Merry Days because I have both. And then I got those are the puffy stickers for Merry Days. And I love those the little stockings are my favorite. And the teeny tiny little stars. And then those are some of the die cuts and tags from Merry Days. You can see, I don't know how close I am. There we go. You can kind of see what's in there. And especially, oh, threw something. The Noel, because my daughter's middle name is Noel, so we can use that for other things as well. And then Snow and Cocoa, ephemera, die cuts. Sorry, I'm really bad at this apparently, holding things up. And then you can just see kind of what's in there. There's like some big giant snowflakes, some little animals, lots of little tucky things. And this is random, but Indy would love it. She needs this in her scrapbook. But I figured it'd be kind of cool even without, even if you didn't want to use it just like that, you could pop off these snowflakes and use them. Pop off those little purple guys. I could even like peel off the name and put India's name there. I feel like there's a lot of ways you could use that, even if you don't need Elsa. Some more Snow and Cocoa. These are die cut snowflakes. And then some tags. Oh, those don't have them on the back. You can kind of see they're just little tags, but they'll be cute even if you don't use them as tags. Like, just cut the little bird out, cut the little sentiments out, stuff like that. More tags. That one. Those are cute. 2 more packs of tags. There's those ones. And I love that little snowman. He's so cute. And I thought it'd be cute too if there's a hole right where his little pom-pom on his hat would be, but you could just stick like a real pom-pom there, would be cute. And then more tags. There's more snowmen. Oh, that one has it on the back. There you go. And you can see the little house. I love the little house. And the little teal. And then we got some little frames. These are just cute. And some gold accents. So sorry. These are my favorite. They're amazing. They are little jars. They have gold foil, you can see. And some of them have little sentiments on them, but they have clear acetate like stitched on, so you fill them and then you can stitch across the top, and they're little like snow globes, and they have all the little bits and pieces to fill them up. They're so cute, but they'll be great even not for Christmas. Only 3 of them have like Christmassy things printed on them. The other 3 are blank. I mean, like the other 3 are just like this. And then there's a bunch of little stuff to fill in. And these ones that are like little scenes, they're rounded at the bottom, so they fit perfectly down in the bottom there. So those are amazing. I love them. And these are not from this round. These are from like probably 6 months ago. I got a Tuesday morning. They were on clearance. But they're the Snow and Cocoa as well. So those will be fun. And then I got some cards. I didn't get very many cards. I just got this pack because this pack specifically because I wanted these. And then I figured I could cut them out and use them as little pieces. So, and then the other ones are cute as well, but those are the reason I bought these. And then there's some on here too. So, and you can never have too many cards. So that's cool. And then I got these little pebbles, puffy stickers. I just think those are cute, especially the candy canes I love. And this, probably 6 months ago, I got the 12 by 12 paper pad of that same collection. So I already have the paper pad. And the die cut pack actually somewhere. And then I got these. These aren't Christmas. These I just found and I hadn't gotten them yet. So I was really excited to find those. The puffy stickers for All Heart. So, and then, and then the last thing from Tuesday morning I got is the sugar glitter paste from Bo Bunny. It's just clear with the clear glitter. So I thought that would be great, especially for snow and stuff for Christmas. So I'm going to move all of this somewhere. And then I'm going to pull out the Freckled Fawn, the Freckled Fawn little set that I purchased. They had a really great sale last week, like for Halloween. It was a Halloween sale. And basically anything in this one section of their online shop, if you bought 3 items, you got 1 enamel pack free. And apparently it could be any enamel pack. I didn't realize this when I was shopping, and I was like adding all the stuff I wanted to my cart, because what I do is I go through and I add everything I want, and then I pare down to what like I really need and what I can live without. And I mean, that's just that's what I do everywhere at Tuesday morning, anywhere I go. I get everything and then go back and it's like, okay, I don't really need that. I'll get this instead. So, so I did that and I added a bunch of things to my cart, and then I added some enamel dots. And they were supposed to be $4, but I love the colors and they fit all my Christmas colors for everything I'm been using and adding to my set. And for some reason they came up as $0. So I had to go looking and try to figure it out. And basically what it was is you added 3 things from this sale or clearance section of their shop, and then you got 1 enamel pack free. And I think you could do that as many times as you want, because I got 6 things and I got 2 packs of enamels dots for free. So, and they were the regular price enamel dots. So it was a really good deal. So the first thing I got was these guys, and they're little white puffy stickers. You can't see them as well. Maybe if I lift them up, you can see them a little better. And they're the staycation phrases, but I really figured other than staycation and travel, all of the rest of these I could use and incorporate into my Christmas stuff as well. And obviously I'll save it and use it later on as well, but I thought these would be great for Christmas. And then I got these little tile alphas. They're white with gold foil, and I just thought those would be great for Christmas. And the yellow ones, I just love the mustard yellow anyways, but especially for Christmas I think it'll be great. Because I'm incorporating some, especially like the Snow and Cocoa collection has a little bit of, like, it's not quite the same color, but a little bit of that mustard yellow in it. And Merry Days has like a darker mustard yellow, so I think it'll work really well. These are just some little label stickers, and I kind of thought they were going to be a little bit lighter colored, but I think they'll still go really well. Other than the orange, I think they'll still all really go well with my Christmas stuff. And then I got these little pencils. I just thought they were cute, but they would be great for like writing a letter to Santa. Any other, my daughter's super like wants to be creative and artsy with me, so anything for that would be great. But especially for Christmas, I'll use one for writing a letter to Santa. And oh, and then I got this washi tape. And won't this washi tape, here, I'm gonna show you. I didn't realize it until I got it, but it will go so well with those letters. So I'm really excited about that. And it'll just add a little bit of texture because it's the white, so it'll pretty much be almost whatever color you lay it over, and then have that nice subtle black geometric shape pattern. And then I got these for free. So this is $8 worth of enamel dots for free. Like shipping and everything, I think I paid $9. It was under 10 for sure for all of this and these. So I was really excited. These are just the perfect colors. Because look, all of these colors are all of these colors. And then it also, I mean, even with Snow and Cocoa, you can see like that peachy pink color, this teal, the darker, especially the darker, and then I'll incorporate some of the red right there and some of that yellowy. So it's just gonna be perfect. I'm really excited about these. These are my favorite. So for now, that is all I have. I'm working on cleaning up the craft room today, which is a nightmare and it's crazy and awful. So I'm working on that now, and then I'm trying to get ahead so that I can start filming Christmas videos for December, because you'll get a video every single day in December. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this and want to see more kit shares, hauls, layouts, anything like that, album shares, please hit subscribe below, or below this way, I guess. Hit subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions or anything specific you want to see in the future, and thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.